Hey guys, today we'll go over how you can utilize Squadcast SLO tracker feature to define your own SLOs and SLIs on the platform, which in turn helps you to monitor your own error budget. All you need to do is simply now navigate to the SLO tracker section and then simply click on create new SLO. Once that is done, you can start defining your own SLOs and SLIs in here. All you have to do is simply define the name of the SLO, give it a description, add tags. Now these tags are key value pairs where you can define who is the owner of the SLO and what kind of environment it is pertaining to. Once that is done, start to configure your own SLOs here. The first thing that you need to do is start defining SLO impacting services. So for something like a platform API, it can be API or backend, front end that might be affecting these SLOs here, or even the database for that matter. Then you can define your own indicators, which can again be availability, latency, errors, saturation, whatever that you want it to be. Then define your target that you're trying to achieve. Can either be 99.99 or 99.8, whatever that you're trying to achieve in here, and then the duration in which you're trying to achieve this target. It can either be like a fixed duration or a rolling period, however that you want it to be. Once the target and the duration is defined, then you can start configuring your own error budget policy. You would automatically see that the error budget is automatically calculated for you. Once that is done, define your own error budget policy. In here, you can define, okay, alert me when error budget is breached, or if SLO burn rate is too unhealthy, or if you're receiving too many false positives, or if you're about to completely exhaust your own error budget. The tool can automatically send you out an email to a specific person or even a complete squad as well. So the complete SRE team can automatically be notified. The tool can also proactively create new incidents whenever you're supposedly completely about to exhaust your own error budget. Once that is done, simply click on save and your SLO would be created. Now the flow here, how it works is basically once an incident comes in here, right? The first step would be that the notifications go out, somebody would acknowledge the incident, and then once the initial troubleshooting happens, they figure out that, okay, this is an SLO impacting incident. Then they can simply click on affects SLO, choose the SLO that it is affecting, the indicator that might be affecting that specific SLO, then simply click on save. And the SLO tracker starts to monitor how much time that you're taking to resolve that specific incident. Once you resolve the incident, it calculates how much time you took and then simply reduces that amount of error budget that you lost from the initial error budget that you had. Now, suppose while doing a post-mortem or a deep analysis, you figure out later on that, okay, this was not actually an SLO impacting service incident, then you can simply mark it as a false positive. And then you would automatically regain the error budget that you had lost. Now, this is how the SLO dashboard would look like to you. You would see all of your targets here. So the target SLO, the error budget that you had, in what time period that you're trying to achieve it, and then your current metrics, which would be the current SLO, the error budget that you've consumed, what has been the mean time to acknowledge and the mean time to resolution of the SLO, the incidents that are impacting this SLO itself. Then you would see the error budget graphs and the SLO affected incidents versus the remaining incidents. You can even see the complete breakdown in here as well. So that's it. Hope this helps. Cheers.